Hello, dears, and welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna, and welcome to Benidorm, our favorite touristic city at night. Today we are on one of the very important street, that is the street of Esperanto. There's a lot of restaurants, bars, pubs, and night entertainment situated out here, which is a great alternative for the British street. Here, for example, Cafe Bonjour, they have breakfast, they have different types of meals, and a very nice cozy sitting area on the inside. People seem to enjoy it right now in winter. Full English breakfast, even French breakfast, sandwiches, American one, and much more. Different types of cafe bars, and by the way, here is where you can find a lot of different accommodation options, mostly apartments and apart hotels of a kind. A lot of these bars are open up until late night hours to put on some nice music and some evening entertainment. Here they have hamburgers, cafe bar, Caesar salad, Mediterranean salad, modern one, €9. Hamburgers, open kitchen up until 11 at night. That's not bad at all. Obviously, they also serve cocktails and different types of drinks out here. On the left side, however, is where we find the entertainment, as it is on the street of Esperanto. This is a circus place, for example. It's called Circus Show, and it's where a lot of people love to come for the evening entertainment. Grand Circus themed place, which gathers quite a lot of people, I must say. Let us know if you've been here and if you've enjoyed this place at all, and what you've seen and the atmosphere you've seen inside. Apart from that, there is a very popular place which right now gets more and more clients each and every single day, and we'll show it to you in a second. Can you guess which one it is? It's a dinner show place that is located right here nearby. The famous restaurant Las Gaviotas. This is a typical Spanish restaurant. Really recommended one. As you can see, there's a lot of people inside. Typical Spanish meals, rices, fish, meat. Incredible place, and it's also specialized in fried fish. This one right here, XOXO, is the place where you get some entertainment, shows, and great gorgeous food. They have bowls, they have meat, they have cold, they have compliments, they have sushi. It's a fusion of everything, all the most delicious meals. That's what's called a Gastro Club, because it's like a nightclub. Inside you can have dance shows, flamenco, bachata, Latin rhythms. You can see professional couples dancing. It's just something that a lot of people are willing to see, and you don't need to pay for the entrance as it is. With the consumption, with the food that you get, you can already have the option to watch the show, which is actually very nice, and it's not as expensive at all. People say the food is amazing. They always post a lot on social media and online, and it's a new fashion pub here in Benidorm town. And this is where younger generations love to go. Further on, right here in front of us, we have a straight road up until Madeira Central Hotel. Gorgeous place. They have a very nice rooftop terrace on the floor, 2021, which is the one we filmed for you when pandemics was still a thing. Gorgeous place, great views once again. And here we have another show place. This is Winston, our subscribers, Winston. This is where there's quite a few shows as well. This is more international tourist oriented place, and they have a lot of nice shows, also entertainment, music. This street has a lot of useful businesses and a lot of favorite and popular bars, restaurants, and pubs to enjoy a nice evening in Benidorm town. And obviously a lot of different accommodation options. which altogether makes it a very popular place where to stay. Also, at the end of this street by the Madeira Central Hotel is where you will find the bus stop, which is where the vast majority of buses are passing by. So you can take it and explore a lot of different areas here around Benidorm, because it's not only Benidorm town, it's also gorgeous Altea Old Town. It's the paradise village of Albir. It's maybe even Guadalest, Algarve waterfalls, and much, much more. Also, here we have the Hotel Poseidon, a 3 stars hotel, quite reasonably priced, I must say, and some more restaurants right nearby. These ones are themed Asian style, obviously, restaurants. Hotel Poseidon has it so nicely decorated with all these small lights, says Merry Holidays, like Happy Holidays. And then right in front of us, we have the Timeless Tavern. This is a karaoke, food, sports, bar, drinks, music, all in one place to be. This is where they also have some happy hour. They have some entertainment, live entertainment followed by karaoke. That's nice. This is actually quite a interesting atmosphere. There's quite a lot of people inside. Someone is dancing, someone is having some drinks, some snacks. Others are having a lovely talk. But this is another option for you guys if you do not want to go to the British Street, if you don't want to go to Rincon de Loige and just want to stay somewhere here around. El Mesón. This restaurant right here is typical Spanish. It's also not cheap at all, so bear that in mind. They used to have fresh lobsters just swimming around in the specific like bowls, big ones, and in the glass ones. So right now, I'm not quite sure if it's still the case, but before they used to have them, and you could actually choose which lobster you would like to have. Very big place, typical Spanish, very nice, traditional Spanish food. That's true. And this is the end of the Gerona Street already, and it looks so dull today. Why is that? It's towards the weekend time. Why is it everything closed? This is probably what winter has to do with it. Pizzeria places, supermarkets, a lot of places are just closed right now in the evening. Wow, there's not a lot. There's actually not a lot when you compare it with winter or with like summer season in general. Even the Indian restaurant is closed. Look at this. Even the Indian place is closed. The only places still open are probably La Tia Juana. Obviously, they're always open. Or no, if it's also closed. Let's see. Oh no, it's open. La Tia Juana is open. The Black Angus, which is a steak house and restaurant place. Obviously, La Tia Juana is open. That's a lovely place for nice Mexican cocktails. They have some Tex-Mex, better to say, infused food. They have burritos, quesadillas, tacos, and a lot more. The Halfway House, which is a bar restaurant too, is still open. Churrasqueria, which is like a meat place, grilled meat place, roast meat place. And obviously the Winner's Bar is still open. Why not? Churrasqueria, by the way, this place is very, very good. It's supposed to be very, very good because it's steakhouse. They do it on the grill, on the inside in a specific grill, and it actually tastes like it. So if you want like a nice grilled steak or grilled meat, maybe that's one of the options. Here we have some more pubs and places to go. Supermarkets are closed. When you see that supermarkets are actually closed, this is when you know that winter is here. Some more pubs right here in front of us, which are a part of the hotels, lead us on towards the Mediterranean Avenue. Even kebab and pizza places here are closed. This is Not busy at all. Right now, probably Christmas and New Year will be the busiest, and then Three Kings Day. But immediately after that, we will see a big decrease in tourism. Probably second half of January and February will be really, really quiet here in Benidorm. At least that's what they usually are. You never know how everything will change, but it should be quite quiet. Even now, the Mediterranean Avenue, as you can see, there are some people passing by. People are walking around, looking at some shops, maybe doing some last minute Christmas shopping. Apart from that, it's all quiet. And some police cars. Look at this. This is typical. This doesn't mean that something wrong is happening. It's more than typical. Have police cars going back and forth, checking the safety of both tourists and residents of Benidorm. See, these are the new buses. This one right here, this is a new bus that I've told you about, because it's not only bus like a usual white and blue buses. No, there are also brand new buses that are red and white. So if you see one like this, don't get scared. It's still a normal bus. It doesn't mean it's something different. It's just a brand new bus that Benidorm Town Hall has purchased. So now we have two colored buses, red and white and blue and white. And probably we'll head to see the beach just a tiny bit to show you a complete feel and atmosphere right now in Benidorm town. The Chinese shops and bazaar places are obviously open. Pizza and restaurant place, Topo Gigio, I think it's called. Also a nice pizzeria. If you've been here, let us know what your reviews. Did you enjoy it? Was the service good? Did you pay a fair amount of money, or maybe you thought it was slightly more expensive? Oh, Lavasol, this is going to be a new place. There's going to be some new places out here. There's going to be some brand new places opening up here very soon. Ooh, and we will be here to discover it. Definitely. There's some Chinese restaurants also here nearby. This is Chinese restaurant Dafa. Never been here. Do not usually see a lot of people in it. So let us know if you've tried it. There's also a famous place. This is a grill house, El Galeon. Grill house and steak house, but at the same time it's also seafood place and freiduria, which means that like a fried seafood and fish place. There's offers for paellas, for different types of meat meals, and mariscada, 30 euros. Oh my goodness, for two people. Well, for two people is that, but that's all right. Mariscada is when you get like a full plate of different seafood. It's like different types of seafood. So 30 euros for two people, 15 per person. That's a normal price for it. On our right side, we have a supermarket, Supercor. Right now it's closed, obviously, because it's later hours, but during daytime it's open. And also, this is one of the options for you if you want to find a supermarket on a bank holiday or on weekend on Sundays, because in winter it's different. Winter is always different out here. Usually Sundays barely anything is open on the supermarkets, maybe Aldi or Lidl maximum, and every now and then, every second, third Sunday probably, or once a month even. So bear that in mind. This one is open 365, so every single day of the year, and you can purchase there different basic goods if you are on self-catering, for example, so that you wouldn't need to go away and spend more money on some meals if you want to cook by yourself. Here we have also quiet Levante Beach. There are some music places, day tour, which is a bar pub on the Levante Beach. The inside hotel is still open, decorated for Christmas. Nice, lovely place. People seem to love it, those who have stayed here. And apart from that, it is very quiet. It is very quiet out here in Benidorm. The beach is empty, obviously, because there is no one around, barely. People are having some lovely walk down the Levante Beach promenade, and that's basically it. This is how some of the days in Benidorm are looking like. Mostly weekends are the busiest time of all. But if you go on a typical work day, this is what you will potentially find. Look at this, how lovely. Probably the restaurant is open on the bottom part right now, but they're nicely decorated for Christmas. Really, really nice. Don't forget next upcoming events in Benidorm. Next week on weekend, there's going to be pre-Christmas party right at the town hall. Then we have events in the morning, 11 in the morning or 6 p.m. at the square by the town hall, once again by the Bristol Hotel. And on the 31st of December, right here on the Levante Beach, is where we'll be celebrating the new year. The year is almost over and we cannot believe how fast time flies. It feels like just a couple of days ago, we've showed you Benidorm in summer. We've showed you all the activities you can do. And it was so hot, so nice, so warm. There's been a lot of people on the Levante Beach and everything was fully booked. And right now, it's already slightly more than week's time until the new year, but the year is almost officially over. But we'll see what the brand new year will have prepared for us, and hopefully it's going to be as nice, as warm, and hopefully a lot of you will be able to visit Benidorm town next year during your holidays. Thank you for accompanying us on today's short walk down Benidorm's Esperanto Street, Gerona Street, and Levante Beach here in the loveliest city in Costa Blanca. And we'll see each other tomorrow in a brand new video here on the channel with the latest news update. Bye, dears, and have a lovely, merry holidays.